to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And Christmas is over. December 25th is the beginning of Christmas for us. And it doesn't end until January 6th. And this is when the wise men finally made it to Bethlehem. So I leave my decorations up until January 6th. And then I change them out for Mardi Gras, which is March 1st, I think, this year. And one of the things I do is I change out the trees, and I change out the dining room table and the wreaths on the door. And this year I'm doing a little bit different. Usually I put a gold tablecloth over the table and then decorate it that way. But then I have to fold it back every year when I start doing my crossword puzzles. So I decided this year to do it a little bit different and just use a gold runner down the center and use placemats for each setting. But I could not find purple or green placemats. And if you know Mardi Gras, the colors are purple, green, and gold. And those are what you work around. So I went and I bought some fabric. I got green fabric and I got purple fabric. I'm going to make my own placemats. And this is how I did it. First thing I do is I measured out what an average placemat would be, and it's 15 by 13. So I wanted to make a fringe around mine, so I made mine a little bit bigger. And I just cut the fabric out into a rectangle, and then I sew a 1/2 inch around, just straight stitch a 1/2 inch around, all the way around, and then I fringe the edge. And that is what I'm going to do today. To make the placemats itself, what I do is I start at a 1/2 inch, make a 1/2 inch seam line, and I go all the way around. You'll know on your machine where your 1/2 inch mark is at. Mine is right where the thing, where the bobbin thread is. So you sew a 1/2 inch all the way around. Then when you get back to the beginning, just back stitch, cut your threads, and then you can start making your fringe just by pulling the edges. See how easy that fringe does? I usually cut all mine, sew all mine first, and then I do the fringing while I'm watching TV at night. That way it doesn't seem like it takes as long, because fringing does take a while to do. So like I said, I find I can do this while I'm watching TV, and it goes much faster. So that is simply how I make my placemats. These are washable. You just throw them in the wash after you get through eating, and they clean up really nice. And you can use any fabric you want. I'm using a flannel this time. I used a regular broadcloth in the past, and just any type of material that you want to use that goes with your theme. I like the flannel for the Mardi Gras because it's more, gives me a warmer feeling. Anyway, that's what I'm doing with my placemats. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned how to make placemats. Give it a thumbs up if you would, please. Subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything. Remember to hit the bell icon so you know when I'm on next. Tongue twister there. And remember, like always, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.